maneno kawa motera nyaka St. Monica mothiedha kuno mogolo siling 1,140 manochulo kuno kendo kae to chako duoka ka motera St. Damiano mopango na ot kuno to gi chiemo bende omiya siling 500 juma ka juma.
Louis was a brother and a friend and a pastor who cared for the soul of many, more especially for San Damiano, Franciscan Sisters of St. Anna Novitiate.
We've been staying with him. He used to be good. He was a good father and used to encourage us about school and about church. He used to encourage us and teach us about God and how to know Jesus more.
What I know about Father Louis was a man of prayer. Louis loved people. Louis loved simple things. And Louis was a simple man, a man of God. I always will remember when I come to Father Louis says, Irene, it will be all right, don't worry.
As I knew Father Louis, he was a good man. He was always there for people. People were always needing help. He gave them whatever they needed. He was always loving, concerned, and whenever you asked him or you talked to him, ever smiling and always concerned.
And one thing I remember about him is that I used to complain about the boredom in the church, and he told me, so long as you're in the church, Jesus stays with you.
He was already in Nigeria 14 years when I arrived there in 1968. He worked in the Sokoto Diocese where I was first sent. I knew him well and he was always a great inspiration to me. We traveled many times together, moving to the south for various vicariate meetings. Louis always had the best route to take. He always knew the way and he knew how to continue to help us who were younger in the mission. I'm happy that I'm able to come to the funeral. I'm representing not only our province in Nigeria, but also the Central Province from Chicago. And I thank God that we had a wonderful brother like Louis to continue to show us the way to be good missionaries.
Working on gathering materials, testimonies, historical records, photos of Father Louis. It's something that I have just finished doing for another friar, Father Tom Heath, who the two of them lived together for about 15 years in this community. And Tom had been one who I had known. He had been my novice master when I was young. So I, without planning on doing it, I just kind of fell into gathering materials after I was asked to go through some of his personal effects, and it ended up coming out in a small book about his life with many pictures. So when Father Louis was in his last days, I began thinking maybe there's a need for something similar for him.
Louis.